Basically, we design and build machines for ourselves. Our more than 500 operators and crew members on the field every day operating machines, they are our major customer, basically our own internal customer. So we can close this design, build, validate, and feedback this loop sooner than any other competitors. So we can improve our machine continuously to a high level.
Loram is a very unique company within the railroad industry, just from the technology we do, the customers we have. It's one of those things that, you see these big machines on the rail doing, kind of dirty work, that there's really a lot of technology behind it. Anybody who works at Loram has an opportunity to shape the future of the railroad industry, but also the company and our trajectory within the industry.
I think the one thing I learned is make sure we're all team players. We make sure we have the same goal, same mission, and towards the same direction.
I think there's huge opportunities for career growth here at Loram, both in Hamel here, but also, our growth internationally is, grown since I've been here in 3 years.
Also, we want to expand our business to the whole globe. Right now, China is growing so fast. We want to be part of that.
And I think if you wanted to do anything within sales and marketing, there's a lot of opportunities, but also within, operations as well.